Okay, tapos na ang aking blood test. Ano na, almost 12 na. Dito,
yeah, I'm trying to log off so I can quit my program.
Yeah. Okay.
Want to go grab a snack now?
Well, it's up to you.
No, it's up to you too. Are you hungry?
Oh yeah, very
I don't know, I
hungry.
can't promise what to get you, but we'll figure something out. But I'm gonna get like a.
What do you want to get?
I'm gonna get a whipped coffee.
Huh?
I'm gonna get a sweet coffee.
Can you give me this green latte?
Yeah, sure.
Green?
Sure. We'll get that.
Green.
Get a table and sit down.
Yeah.
I don't know what's on the menu, but we'll see what's left. Because sometimes stuff is sold out, but we'll figure out what we can get. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
That's all we have to do.
So I gained 1 pound, 150.
Don't worry, I'll give you something to gain you 2 pounds. You wanna feel better?
150. 150.
Come on over this way. Whatever.
What floor? One, floor 1? It's amazing. Going down.
That works. I'll do that.
Going down.
Oh yeah, and she
Oh, good. Sounds fine to me. That works really good.
Mm-hmm.
was like, good to know because she said like,
Oh, excuse me.
level 1 going up.
Okay.
Well, do you want to have a seat somewhere? And
Yeah.
relax?
Yeah.
Get in line and get your menu.
Yeah, we're going to eat in Starbucks. Alec is treating me.
I gotta find a comfortable. There's a table at the back.
Yeah, I want to sit at the back.
Comfortable chair.
Yeah.
Find a spot first.
Yeah.
We'll see what's on the menu. Hopefully things will be sold out. We'll
Yeah.
see.
I can sit here. Here, I don't mind here.
You're okay here, there?
Yeah.
There. Okay, I'll,
I like
you want a green
the.
tea, did you say?
Yeah, no, it's a green latte.
Green latte?
Green latte.
Let's go with green latte, okay.
It's skim milk.
Steam milk?
Yeah. I don't, because, yeah, skim milk. And,
Thank you.
yeah.
I know what you want.
Okay, thank you.
Green latte with steam milk.
Yeah. Okay, tapos na ang aking blood test. Nandito kami ngayon sa Starbucks. Brunch, breakfast and lunch. Nagbalik ako dito kasi nakalimutan na magpa-blood test ako, kaya yan, kinuha ko yung form doon sa baba, doon sa cancer center front desk, at dinala ko doon sa kinukuna ng yung blood test nga. At naghintay ako doon kanina kasi sabi ipafax daw, hindi na ifax, kaya balik na naman kami doon sa cancer center, doon sa clinic, pero dito rin sa hospital para kunin yung requisition form para makakuha ng blood test. O yun, tapos na. Kanina nagpunta kami dito para sa aking oncologist appointment. Nagpunta kami dito 9 o'clock. Nagising ako, mga 7:20. Tapos, nag-alis kami dito. Nag-alis kami sa bahay, 8:30. Appointment ko na 9 o'clock. Sa oncologist doctor. At nakalimutan ibigay sa akin yung requisition form. O sabihin ako na may blood test pala ako. Kaya, yun, nag-uwi sa bahay. Tapos, mga 30 minutes, tumawag sa akin yung yung receptionist siguro yun or medical assistant na pumunta ako sa clinic at magpa-blood test. Sabi ko, bukas na, kailangan daw ngayon. Yan, hindi pa ako nakain kasi nagpapahinga muna ako kasi napagod ako at antok ako kasi nagising ako ng umaga tapos natulog ako late na. Kaya yan ang aking update ngayon. Ngayong February 29, Thursday, 2024. End of the month pala ngayon ng February. Tingnan mo yung mga yung sa halaman, nagsisimula ng magbulaklak. Dali lang talaga. Patapos na naman ang winter. Wow. Cheese sticks. I love cheese sticks. Yeah. What is that? Green latte?
Yeah, it's yours.
Okay.
It's burning my hands. I'm
Okay.
gonna put it down. If you're not gonna put that away, I'm waiting for you to put it away so you can have it.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
just wanted to put the
We can sit in here, so I can put because there's a where I can sit here. I'm not gonna fall. Yeah.
Are you gonna leave this for a tip?
No, just leave it
Put
there.
it in your chair in your bag.
No, I'm gonna take pictures of that.
I'll take whatever. We got other drinks to get to, you know. More goodies. I gotta get this drink kit still. That's a wrap for you.
Oh, thank you.
Sandwich for me. And this one. Hand sanitizer.
Sandwich for you.
But it's gonna be a minute.
And